Have you ever noticed how your thoughts can shape how you feel? We are talking about resilience. We're talking about the ability to have that bounce back when life happens. I will tell you, negative thoughts are one of the biggest, the most important thing that I think anybody can do to be more resilient is to work on our thought life. The Bible talks about taking every thought captive. That's because we are bombarded every day. We live in a world that's not innately positive. We are bombarded every day with things that tell us why we can't do something, how somebody's better than us, how this is going to happen and that's going to happen. We look at ourselves and we introspect all day long, or we look at the world around us and we feel helpless and hopeless, and negative thoughts can overtake us. I tend to be a very optimistic person, but I struggle. And I'm going to be honest and say I struggle just like everybody else with my thoughts. I have to really work on stopping myself and pausing and saying, is that really true? If there's a modicum of truth, how can I reframe it so that I'm coming at it from a more positive perspective than just negative? We've heard the old adage, look at the glass as half full instead of half empty. And I really try to do that. In the Bible, in Galatians, it talks about the fruit of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, gentleness, goodness, meekness, self-control. This is like a litmus test for me. If I start to notice that my thoughts don't look like those things, then I really have to turn them on their head and go, okay, something's up here and I need to stop and I need to reframe. As part of my daily gratitude practice, I do affirmations. There are things that I know about myself. And so it's easy for me to say. I say, I am strong, I am capable, I am courageous. Those are things that I know to be true because I know myself pretty well. There are things that I often have a hard time saying. As a woman, we tend to compare ourselves when it comes to how we look or how much we weigh or how well behaved our kids are. As a young mom, I used to do that. I would just stop myself and go, I am a good mom and I am doing the best that I can with what I have going on right now. That would be my kind of my mantra when I was younger. Now, if I start to doubt or lack myself in my capacity to do something as an adult, I say, I am growing, I am learning, and I am capable of change in every aspect of my life that is needed. I'm not 100% where I want to be, but I know that I can speak words of life over myself. The Bible also talks about life and death is in the power of the tongue. And sometimes when we think these thoughts, we often speak them out. If they're negative, we should stop it and not say it. If it comes out of our mouth, it has the ability to build us up or tear us down. If I spoke my thoughts and they would build me up or tear me down, do I really want to go there? They're very powerful and shifting the fact of physics. Where we focus our energy is what will grow. I want to grow things in my life that are positive, things are lovely and true and kind. Think on those things. I would encourage you to practice reframing your negative thoughts. If you feel it coming in, and they do all the time, and some days it's worse than others, take that thought captive. Use that litmus test. Is it true? Is it not? Does it look like love, joy, peace, and all those things? Is it good? Is it kind? Is it lovely? And then use that to reframe it so that you're thinking positive thoughts. That's going to do more to build resilience in your life, probably than anything else. I hope this was encouraging to you, and I will see you in the next video.